Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today. April 24th, 2024. Noisy day today, pretty much a doji bar day. Very hard read on price action, but I just want to say if you did join me in the live stream, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Let's go over these trades today. There's a few here, but really just not good ones in my opinion at all. So if you skip today, congratulations. Beginning of the market here, you just get a leg up, leg down, you get a first entry, second entry short, and it's a failure. It's a textbook failed second entry short. Looking back at this is a great setup, even though it is an advanced setup. It doesn't get any better than that. You get a nice move up, break, new high, and what I mean by break and new high, I got a question about that. You're looking for two-legged moves, so you're looking for the upward bias trend channel, you're looking for the breakout, which is a correction, and you're looking for a new high to be made, and then you're looking for a potential reversal of the market, because the market moves in twos, and that's what I mean by that. You get a first entry, second entry long. It's a hidden second entry long here, but you get stopped out. If you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. Just wanted to mark it to show it. Then you get your actual second entry long, but it's a horrible signal bar. And then you get a nice higher low here, and it broke lower, then turned up. I think entering on the engulfing bar is the correct move here. And you got a nice move up. Then you get a first entry, second entry short. The only problem is it's an inside bar. I still like this. I'm almost hesitant not to make it black, but make it red. Context-wise, this is exactly what you want. You want your move up, break, new high, double top, second entry short. That actually looks really good, and you get a nice runner there. Then you get a little move down here, some congestion, move up. You get a first entry, second entry short trap. So it traps all the bulls here, stops one tick underneath, and it slams back down, leads to another move down. Test the low of this range, congestion. Then you get a first entry, second entry long failure. It's a little congested there, but if you're reading the count correctly, rejected off the EMA, price is looking for a new low, then you know what you're doing. Then you get this first entry, second entry short. It's just literally right into support here. It works, but I think it's just so aggressive. I marked it because of hindsight, but when you're looking at this, I mean, you're literally shorting into the support. So you don't know that's going to lead to a winner, but the actual count is great. First entry, second entry short. It's a little congested across the board there, but maybe just visually, just so you kind of realize the count of what's happening here for a new low, first entry, second entry short. Then you get another first entry, second entry short. It's a hidden second entry short. As you can see, break, looking for a new extreme out of this micro trend channel here. So if you know what you're doing, maybe you take that. Then it just leads down, and you just don't get any real chance to get in here. You finally get the break of this bigger short bearish trend channel, break, new low, and then it just chops sideways here for quite some time. Price starts moving really, really slow, and then this is where on the live stream it just takes off. And you know, with it being biased for the day before this whole thing starts, you know, I was biased short. You know, I was expecting at least to test up back to some resistance zones up here or the trend channel, but this thing just completely takes off. And so I saw, you know, a couple ways to look at it. I kind of saw the trend channel like this, break two legs to a new high. So I saw a second entry short here, stopped out on that one, missed it by one tick. And then this is kind of what I'm realizing after I take this second trade here after this break here. So let's just do our count. We have a first entry, second entry short. So here's our new low, so it resets the count. First entry, second entry short, miss it by a tick. And then first entry, second entry short. And so after the two losing trades, you know, stop for today, and then I just started marking everything up. And I'm kind of coming to a realization that you should only be taking second entries. Sometimes they work outside of the EMA or with really good context, but I think I was a little confused here. And, you know, when you're confused, it's not a good thing. So I think the lesson here today was, if you're confused, don't trade Zeff. And if you're unsure of, I mean, you're trying to call a top, which is unlikely in a bull trend. I didn't know this was going to be such a powerful bull trend, but prices held above EMA for more than, you know, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I mean, over, you know, 50 bars here, prices above the EMA. So you going short is probably not a good thing to do, and I think I learned that today. You know, really got to make sure I'm focusing on the direction of the trend. And then the other thing here is today, I'm not sure if the trend channel was like this or like this. It was a lot of hard reading for price action today, in my opinion. But so be it. I digress. The point is, goes up, you get a 1, 2, 3 triple test. This is pretty much, I saw as a pretty decent trade today. I was very hesitant. I already took the 2 losers for today. But nonetheless, wasn't gathering data. I was gathering data for second entries. I'm not gathering data for triple tests. So no, still, as the price was playing out, I saw this, mark this up in the live stream, and you got more than your 10, 3 points here for sure. Nonetheless, yeah, a nice triple test there. Decent signal bar. It was closing on its lower 1/3 here, as you can see. You have clear 1, 2, 3 tests. And then you get this first entry, pulls back, second entry long. I think going on this with the engulfing bar as well is okay. But again, so then this is where it comes to what I'm trying to gather data on is, should you take second entries no matter what? Or should you only take second entries when it's below or above the EMA? Again, coming to the conclusion. Give me some feedback if you guys notice, if you have any anecdotal evidence, or if you've tested data yourself, please let me know. But then, this second entry works. So clear first entry, second entry long, and you get, more than 4 ticks. You get your 2 points. So yeah, I'm very struggling with wondering if I should be taking these or not. Yeah. Nonetheless, we get a move down, and we get this nice measured move right to the low, to the tick, and then chop sideways a little bit. You get a first entry, second entry short, nothing really good here. Outside bar closing on its low, sells off. Then you get a first entry, second entry long failure. Outside bar again. But then you get this nice, if you reset the count from the high from the most outside bar instead of this, I kind of see this as a double top, so then it would have been a first entry, second entry long. But nonetheless, you get a higher low here, and you have plenty of room back up, at least to the EMA. And I think that's a reasonable trade that I would have taken. Okay, nonetheless, we have about an hour left now, as it's 3 o'clock for the market. Probability of getting a new low of day is low, but yeah, nonetheless, this is kind of just what it looked like for today. Very hard read, in my opinion. Probably one of the harder trading days I've had in a while. So hopefully tomorrow is going to be a little bit better. Nonetheless, no matter what, we're protecting our capital, so we can always trade again. Alrighty, hope you guys traded well today, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.